Man has always been fascinated with traveling back in time. Well, now Sprint has actually moved the unlimited calling time back 2 hours from 9 p.m. to 7. It's science fiction meets cold, hard economics.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for South Central Shelby County, Northwestern Effingham County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., spotters reported a tornado located near Ramsey, or 9 miles north of Vandalia, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Beecher City and Cowden around 7:40 p.m. Stewardson around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Clarksburg, Mode, Moccasin, and Hayrick. Interstate 57, between mile markers 160 and 170, and Interstate 70 between mile markers 70 and 80. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Domino's Brooklyn-style pizza, boss. Big slice, big toppings, you gotta fold it like this.
You call that a fold? Come on.